Assalamualaikum Ahad and Brian. My name is Nurul Ainizati binti Faizal from Group 8. Today my groupmate and I will explain about our business case. Our group has chosen Click-to-It application as our business case. We choose this topic due to nowadays people often to use internet platform to buy their daily necessity. Even many people also use food delivery to buy a food. So from that, our group was create Click-to-It application as a one platform for people buy food. Besides that, this way can develop more people to use and improve their information technology. Okay, in this application, we provide a detailed information on the food. From that, the customer know about their food, especially for Muslim. We also was create a visual content like video presentation of the food, graphic of the food, and also the most important is the rating feedback the food from the customer. Furthermore, our group also create website as our opportunity. Next, I also will explain about business objective. This application contains several objectives that have been set for this application to make sure this application are successfully. Firstly is provide a website that make easy for customer to order food. Next is constant in overcome order problems so that delivery can be delivered properly to our customer. And the last one is constantly innovating in the product of a new menu that can further increase the company profit. That's all for me. I will pass it to next presenter to continue our group project. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Nur Binti Muhammad Yusof and my metric number is 27744. I will continue the presentation with current station and a problem opportunity statement. Okay, the needs to buy food online has grown in Malaysia, but poor access is a problem. The current problem is that users must first download the system from the Google Play Store and other sources. This poses a problem to certain customers who have a limited download capacity on their device. Web coding systems such as HTML are what we use to develop app-based website to better help user and improve accessibility. Okay, for the next is critical exceptions and constraints. These exceptions, typical content exceptions about how content will be introduced into the content management system and who will be in charge of the authoring and reviews. Its client and agency should examine these exceptions carefully and evaluate their implications for project delivery. Here common content strategy exception that everyone on a push the client and agency team should understand to ensure a successful website launch. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
For the analysis of option and recommendation part, we decide to create a website that could make it easy for the user. Website are a platform that is often and easily visited by user. Marketing such as advertising is also easily seen during the daily use of the website. This allows people who regularly use digital platform to shop using this alternative to find information and shopping online. The second option, we will also be looking for additional staff if necessary to ensure that the sales run smoothly. With sufficient staff, some parts of the sales such as order receiver, accountant, deliveries and so on can be carried out well. And the third, we will also ensure our staff to get the courses related to how to serve the customer. This is an important thing to ensure that consumer get a good service and get a satisfaction when dealing with us. This help in increasing the speed and further advancing our business. In preliminary project requirement, we have 5 requirements. For the first is identify project and product objective. For example, like identify for whom the project is being carried out. The second is service requirement and features. We will list the requirement to run this project as well as service that can make it easier for user to use. The third is constraint and assumption. We will identify the problem that will occur if this project is carried out to improve so that this project can run smoothly and facilitate the user. The fourth is initial project organization. Organize the staff is part of the operation such as finance, order taking, raw materials, stock inspection and so on. And lastly is regular cost estimate. This is to calculate the required budget and how much cost will be incurred to ensure that no loss occur and also profit will be made. So that's all. Thank you.
For budget estimate and financial analysis from May to October 2022, it's divided to three, which is personnel or technical support, IT equipment, and furniture and feature. For the personnel or technical support, one head ITSG, which is Information Technology Service Group, it will cost 3,500 ringgit per month. One head web design or programmer, which is 3,000 ringgit per month. Three programmers, the cumulative for three programmer is 7,500 ringgit per month. One head network administrator, 2,500 ringgit per month. One technician, 1,800 ringgit per month. One multimedia operator, 2,200 ringgit per month. And one ITSG staff student assistant is 300 ringgit per month. The total amount for the personnel or technical support is 30,800 ringgit. Next is IT equipment. 3 units computer updated. The total cost is 50,900 ringgit. One unit switch, 719 ringgit. And other facilities and device like keyboard, mouse, or sometimes earphone is 670 ringgit. And the total amount for the IT equipment is 17,289 ringgit. Lastly is furniture and feature. 3 computer tables, it will cost to 1,020 ringgit. And lastly is 3 computer chair, it will cost to 630 ringgit. The total amount for furniture and feature is 1,650 ringgit. So the total budget allocation for the budget is 39,739 ringgit.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Abdullah Zuhair Izam Jamili. My number matric is 279898. So I will present our scheduled estimate. So this project will take up to 6 months to complete. Our project will start in 1st May 2022 and will end in 1st October 2022. So this project take 7 stages to complete. So the first stage is called planning, that will take 1 to 2 weeks to complete. And next, proposal report will take also 1 until 2 weeks. Then for requirement stage will take 3 weeks. And then for user interface design will take up to 6 weeks. And then for develop system will take longer time. So we take 9 weeks to complete. Next is system testing, that will take 1 to 2 weeks to complete. And last is publish system, that will take 1 or 2 weeks also to complete. So next is potential risk. First potential risk is high cost risk. When the budget cost is higher than the budget fund, the risk might happen and might shift to the other operation and workforce segment. Next is lack of communication. As we know, poor communication among the member can lead into the project failure. So effective and timely communication is a significant work ethic that we must strictly observe when we are in charge in project. Next is excessive scope of work for each individual work. Lack of team member who are skilled in various parts will require more time, more longer time to complete our project. Also, a lot of workload will burden the team member, and this is requires a lot of time to improvement for team member who have a problem. So next is project doesn't meet team sales and customer needs. So when project fails to meet stated result, market risk is likely to occur, and other competitors will take advantage from this weakness. So last is estimating and scheduling error, also called a time risk or project schedule risk. So the project will take a longer time than we expected. So delay timeline also will impact to others like budget and overall performance. That's all from me. Thank you.
Lastly is exhibit. The title for this project is Click to 8 CTE. The date of event is from May to October 2022. The location is our team developed the application at the office. The mission to develop a mobile application to facilitate users purchasing meals. The mission accomplished is consumer or buyers can buy food cheaply through the apps. The estimate cost is for this project is 39,739 ringgit, and the lesson learned is application and website can benefit users for purchasing meal from multiple store or sellers.
I think that's all from our group. Thank you.